Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. I mainly focus on Indian authors, but I cover all kind of genres. If you like reading books, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. Hi guys, today I'm going to do a tag video. I know you already know that from the title, and I just don't know why I do that. Basically, I'm just copying some booktubers or some YouTubers, not booktubers. Booktubers are all amazing. But anyway, I am going to do a would you rather book tag today. Now, why book tag? Because I personally don't think anybody would be interested to know what answers I have for some random questions related to books, but a lot of you guys actually enjoy such videos, so let's get started with this video because I love you guys. Question number 1. Read only trilogies or standalones. Although I read only standalones, but I would really love to read only trilogies because I want to be in the story for a much longer time than I usually do with standalones, okay? Question number 2. Read only female or male authors. Now the thing about this is, guys, if you are a real guy, like guy, man, male, then don't get offended. But if you see the best books written, all of them are by female authors. Take it away. Jane Austen. Nowadays, we have Stephenie Meyer, Marisa Meyer, Sandra Clare, Sophie Kinsella, and all those amazing women authors. So I would really like to read books only by women. Question number 3 is, shop at Barnes & Noble or Amazon. By the way, I have never been to Barnes & Noble because it's not in India, or maybe it is. I have never known about that. But Amazon, because there are so many great discounts on books. But sometimes, you know, in Amazon India, you really get like bad copies of the books. So if I get that kind of copies, then I would not like to shop from Amazon. But usually I always shop from Amazon. I also have my affiliate link down below. If you really want me to earn some pennies from my channel, then go and buy books using that link, okay? Question number 4. All books become movies or TV shows? I would prefer actually none of them, because most of the movies are totally, you know, spoiled versions of books. But if the movies really are made like Harry Potter movie, then I would go for movies, and TV shows never. Question number 5. Read 5 pages per day or 5 books per week. I would really love to read 5 books per week. Even though that may mean that I do nothing else, I would really want to do that. I seriously want to do that. Number 6. Be a professional reviewer or author. I would really like to be a professional reviewer. That is because when you become a professional reviewer, you read a lot of books, you criticize a lot of books, you read a lot of books from critical angles, and that will turn out a great author. So I am very clever. Question number 7. Only read your top 20 favorite books over and over, or always read new ones that you haven't read before? Guys, I have never reread a book. I do plan to reread a lot of books that I have forgotten that I have read, but otherwise I would really love to read new stories, because new stories, I feel like they would inspire me more. So new books. Question number 8. Be a librarian or bookseller. Now the thing is, I am obsessed with making sales, because that is something which I cannot do. Nobody buys from my Amazon links. Also they do, but it's not up to the number I want. And I also work for a brand, and I really want to focus on the sales. I'm just obsessed with sales. So bookseller, obviously. I also want to be a shoe seller, but this is not a shoe related channel, so I should not have told you that. But yes, bookseller, shoe seller, clothing seller, which I already am right now. So yeah. Question number 9. I'm actually enjoying making this tag video. I don't know why. I got these questions from Jesse the Reader's video, and I was like, he did it so well, and I'm gonna be pathetic at it. But right now, I'm just enjoying myself. I'm so self-obsessed. Number 9. Only read your favorite genre or every genre except your favorite. I would really like to read every genre because I really like to explore, and I feel like this is the whole point of reading. You have to challenge yourself. You really need to explore. For example, a lot of you think that I don't read more young adult books, but the thing is, I love young adult books. I can read them forever and ever. They are so easy to read, so easy to get into, so nicely written, so easy to connect. They're amazing. The thing is, I want to challenge myself, so I try to sort of, limit my young adult reading and pick up on other genres. Question number 10. Only read physical books or ebooks? Guys, this question should not happen there in this list, because it's always physical books. I read ebooks and then I forget. I totally forget about those books. I have forgotten physical books as well, but in a long period of time. But ebooks, I read P.S. I Love You by Jenny Han last year, and I was like, oh, I have read it because it was on my Goodreads. But otherwise, I totally had no idea that I had read it. So no ebooks. I don't enjoy that. They are easy to read, but I don't enjoy them. Yeah. We are done with these 10 questions and now I can finally breathe, and I hope you guys like this video. I seriously take your comments seriously. I do hate the haters, but I love you guys, so I really want to know if you want me to do other tag videos. Give me the easy ones, please. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Manvi signing off, and I'll be back with another video. Well, wait. You have to subscribe to my channel because I see a lot of you guys actually watch my videos and never subscribe. So bad! Subscribe to my channel now.